Oh my god. There's this dog. This little, like, clay dog. I don't know how it's alive, but it's just following me everywhere. I gotta just look at it. Just look at it. Just look at it. Do you see it? Okay, I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit. It's just following me everywhere. And oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Oh my god. Oh my god. I think I need to go to the oh my god. Oh my god, it's like oh my god. Oh my god, where did it go? Where did it go? It's not there. Oh my god. 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 It's following me everywhere. Rotunda. Rotunda. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's not there anymore. Where did it go? Where did it go? Oh my god. It is following me everywhere. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna go kick it. Okay, here I go. Here I go. Lights on. Lights on. Ready? I gotta go to my parents' room. I gotta go. Okay. I gotta go. I gotta go. Oh. Okay. 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 Oh my god. I don't know if you can see me. I don't know if you can see me. But, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's everywhere. I'm gonna go up and kick it. Okay, you ready? No, it's got me. Oh no, it doesn't got me. Okay. But you know what doesn't scare me? What would you do? This is the comment question of the day. What would you do if you found my mom in your closet? Put your comments and questions below.